Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at a modern RV and thought, that's great, but where's the soul? Where's the character? Where's the charming, slightly unhinged cousin of a loaf of bread? Well, buckle up your bell-bottoms, because today we're rolling back the years to the grooviest camper of them all, the 1967 Volkswagen Type 2 Westfalia Campmobile SO42. The bus that looks like it's ready to take you to Woodstock, or at least to the nearest campground with decent Wi-Fi and composting toilets. But before we drop the clutch, make sure to subscribe. We talk about campers that go fast, slow, or don't go at all without jumper cables. We've got retro rides, off-grid monsters, and more dad jokes than a barbecue. Now, let's get into it. This particular SO42 is a fully restored beauty in red and white. A paint job that says, I make my own kombucha and I'm not afraid to reverse uphill. Originally pearl white, it got the red-hot treatment during a past restoration. And I gotta say, I think it suits it. It's powered by a 1.6-liter flat-4 air-cooled engine. That's 1584 cc for the metric crew. Paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox, sending 50-ish horsepower to the rear wheels. Inside, it's basically a vintage tiny home on wheels. You've got birch plywood cabinetry, a kitchenette, a folding table, and a tan cloth rear bench that folds into a bed. And get this, there's a kid's hammock up front. I once tried that as an adult. This Westie is rocking a pop-top fiberglass roof rack, and a side-mounted awning. Plus, there's an exterior electrical hookup, so you can plug in and power up your espresso machine. Or, if you're me, your electric bug zapper. It even includes an original Coleman stove and a picnic set. Perfect for annoying the neighbors with your vegan chili. Mechanically, it's been lovingly overhauled. Between 2022 and 2024, they replaced the shocks, steering gear, brake system, including master cylinder and wheel cylinders, resealed the engine, fixed the wiring, and even painted the suspension components. The steering column was swapped in 2024, and the odometer reads 62,000 miles, 1,000 of which came from the current owner, probably just driving it around showing it off to neighbors like, yeah, it's mine. The wheels, classic 14-inch Steelies wrapped in 205/75 Hankook white stripe tires. The brakes, drums all around, freshly turned and painted. It's like someone lovingly rebuilt it with a torque wrench in one hand and a vinyl record in the other. Price-wise, these Westfalia SO42s don't come cheap. Depending on condition, they range between $55,000 to $90,000 USD, equals $51,000 to $83,000. And this one, with its clean Washington title, Volkswagen Classic Certificate, and complete service records, is probably near the higher end, but worth every nostalgic penny if you ask me. Listen, if you've ever dreamed of slow-laning it down the Pacific Coast Highway in something that turns heads and starts conversations, this SO42 is your jam. I liked the pop top the most. It's like camping in a treehouse that's stuck in second gear. Catch you on the next ride, folks.